Hello there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can use a AWeber app on mobile phone. So for this, let's open our Play Store app and search for AWeber. As you can see, it's not available here in my region, but still we want to use it. So for that, you need to go back and open your Google app. Now here you need to search for AWeber. Now scroll down and there you will find this link. By the way, the link is in the description box. You can copy it from there. So once you follow the link, a page will open up like this here. Now you need to enter few details here like your first name, last name and email address. So let me enter the details here. Okay, so once the details are entered, now simply click on get started for free. It will take few seconds and then a new page will open that we are creating your account. Now an email sent to your email account. So you need to open your Gmail first. So let's go back and open our Gmail. So here we receive this email. Open it. And there you need to simply tap on this get started button. So a page will open up like this. Now here you need to enter your that email address and simply set your password. Okay, so once the details are entered, simply click on save password and it will take few seconds and then a page will open up like this. Okay, so there we have their pricing plan. So the first one is most popular and it's for $20. Then we have the light one which is for $12 and then we have the free one. So for now we can continue with free. So click on continue with free and then you need to enter some details like your company name and here you have to tell that have you used AWeber before or not. So you can choose any option here and then click on continue. Next you have to enter your address. So let me fill the address here and then click on continue. After that, you have to choose between options. So you can continue with no, I'm just starting with email and then click on continue. Then enter your business goals and then again click on continue. Now choose the tools that you use for your business and click on continue. And then you will be directed to this page here on AWeber and in this way you can use AWeber on Android. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and thank you for watching. Bye.